the actual just happened?
Nothing. Maybe some problems later, but everything's all good. Hello everyone.
Welcome to our traditional Christmas video. Last year, right here, we thanked you for the amazing milestones we reached together. But this year was absolutely unbelievable. All thanks to you.
There are now over 21,000 of you in the TrackZone family.
And every single view, comment, like and all your activity on TrackZone means the world to us. Every video we release this year and the fact that the whole channel keeps growing like this, that's your achievement. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much. For the next year, we prepared something truly special. We'll be adding new car into our collection, doing crazy experiments, road trips and creating the most interesting and the best content we possibly can.
And you may have noticed, if you follow us on our other social media, that we have launched our own merch, which we're actually wearing right now. It's a limited run for hoodies and t-shirts, and we still have a few shirts available. So if you're interested, just message us on our TrackZone Instagram or on our personal accounts.
From the TrackZone headquarters, we wish you the most wonderful Christmas, filled with happiness, health, love, amazing memories, and of course fast cars and plenty of horsepower.
We also wish you an amazing start to the new year, and we're already looking forward to riding into the 2026 with you. It's going to be one hell of a ride. Take care and see you soon.
And now join us as we take a look back at everything that happened this year.
Oh, that was good.
And with that, the 2025 season comes to an end. Good night.
AMG 712. This is also so this is our new car. GG. Cars went bleh. Hello everyone, welcome to the first. This is Ferrari F800 and it makes power and with 2003 liter. Mě to jebe už tady. This is our Piper Saratoga Lens 2. It's our Honda CBR 1000RR.
Kawasaki KX450.
Yamaha Raptor 700R.